We'll guide you through how to connect Figma with GitHub. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, click on the Windows Start icon on your keyboard and type Google Chrome into the search field to locate the browser application. Open Google Chrome on your device, then click the URL bar, enter Figma, and press enter. From the search results, select the official Figma website and verify that you're already signed into your Figma account before continuing. After the login process is complete, wait for the Figma dashboard to load fully on your screen. For this tutorial, choose your recent Make project from the dashboard. Once selected, the Edit page of your Make project will open, giving you access to its settings and configuration options. Next, move your cursor to the top right area of the page where the project controls are located. Click on Make Settings to open the settings panel associated with the current project. Within the settings options, look for and select GitHub. This will open a new page dedicated to integrating your Make project with a GitHub account. On the page that appears, locate the Connect GitHub button and click it to begin the authorization process. Complete the GitHub account creation process with your Gmail account. Figma will then guide you through the steps required to establish the connection between your project and GitHub. Continue by selecting Install and Authorize when prompted. This action grants the necessary permissions and allows the integration to be configured correctly. Once the setup is finished, the system will automatically redirect you back to the Edit page of your Make project. At this point, the integration process is complete and you will return to the Make Settings section. You should now see GitHub listed as an available and connected option within the Make Settings area. This confirms that the connection has been established successfully and that your project is now linked with GitHub.